Hi, my name is Bob Sikta. I'm an immigration lawyer with CAIR-Florida. You may not know CAIR-Florida is the largest civil rights organization in the state of Florida dealing with civil rights for people who are Muslims. We provide free legal immigration services to people in need. Right now, with respect to our conversation today, relating to people coming here from Afghanistan. Now, you have probably encountered people in that situation who have come here either with what's called an SIV visa or a P2 visa. I'm not going to go into details about this because it gets really complicated. Or they've just come here in a way that we call BEAR. They simply managed to get to the United States. We reach out to and help those people with immigration legal services. We help guide them through, we take them through, we represent them through the process of being allowed to be here, allowed to stay, if we can, getting to a green card level, and then beyond that, someday to citizenship. If we can, helping them bring loved ones here from Afghanistan or other places they fled to when they left Afghanistan. We're even helping people who are Afghan citizens who were in other countries and they couldn't stay there, so they came here. We're even helping people from Afghanistan who are students who were here when everything started going sour in the worst possible way at the end of last summer. We're helping them all. We're doing it for free. We do it for free because you and people like you give us their money in order to be used, that money, to help those people. It all goes to help other people, and we're all able to do it for free because of that giving. With that said, again, I mentioned some words about keeping people here and extending that stay through various forms of immigration law. Well, let's take the person who comes here, what we call BEAR. They simply come here from Afghanistan. We try to help those people to stay in certain ways. We help them get what's called temporary protective status. Too complicated to go into. Even if you think you can put it in a soundbite, you can't. And people who are seeking asylum, because we'll take people who we try to help get temporary protected status and we help them file for asylum as well. And we take them through a process which involves filing an immense amount of documentation and then going to an interview which can be held somewhere in the future that's murky. We have people awaiting interviews for asylum who have been waiting 7, 8, 9 years. We have people who get here and their asylum interview is held right away. We don't even know how quickly the government will or won't move because no one can predict that. But we represent them during that time while we help them get work cards, while we help them do other things and look for other avenues, other ways to keep them here and keep them safe. Again, it's highly complicated. It's highly complex. It's really expensive if you have to hire somebody for it. The average asylum case costs people somewhere between $15,000 and $30,000 minimally. And that's if not much goes wrong. You may find people out there who will say, I'll do it for this or that or very little, but you have to watch out for this because there are a lot of scams. Can you imagine people scamming people who are at their darkest, deepest hour of need? We're here to help those people, again, for free because of the help we get from you and people like you. We help people who have come here from Afghanistan through the government program that got them either out to other countries and then here or got them out to other countries, and then we bring them here. Those people usually come with some good paperwork that saves us some steps. They usually come with a work card and with a Social Security card, which are big things to have. When you've got those things, you can get a driver's license. When you've got those things, you can get a job. When you've got those things, you can get housing in other ways. You can get all kinds of other things that people who come here BEAR can't get right away. People who struggle, and they're all struggling no matter what their circumstance when they arrive. People who have left with nothing but the shirt on their backs, and if they're lucky, some documentation in their hands that helps them. We're helping people come from other countries where they got to in order to get out of Afghanistan, in order to get here. We're counseling people who are in Afghanistan directly and indirectly, more indirectly than directly, to keep them safe in order to help them get out, looking for ways to get them out safely. It's really hard. It's really dangerous. And we're doing all those things which are really complex when you have to start doing them and not just talking about them. So we're here for that. We're here to help for that. We know what we're doing in that regard, and we want you to contact us. We want to be part of what you do. So I'm Bob Sikta at CAIR-Florida, immigration lawyer. Ahmed Khan, who is not with us today, has been with you in the past, and many of you, most of you, I hope, know him. He is the contact, the person to go to say, I need to talk to that immigration lawyer wearing the blue shirt the other day, so that we can do what we can to get together with you. We will get together with you in groups as well. We will get together with you as individuals. These days, we're able to do it this way, live, by Zoom, on different mechanisms, leaving you films and tapes, providing instruction, guiding you. We're here to do it 24 hours a day. We're here for you. So be with us. Join with us as we join with you to help these people in need the way you would want that same help for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for your time today. I look forward to hearing from you through Ahmed. And in the meantime, please do take good care of these wonderful people who are here looking for the same things we take for granted and enjoy every day. Bless you, my good people. I hope to hear from you.